Are you like me and want to save a few dollars on shipping multiple service levels to PSA? Well, today I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned on how to properly submit multiple service levels to PSA in one box with one shipping label, also helping you avoid a huge mistake I made sending in multiple service levels the improper way. And when I say huge mistake, I'm talking about cards that have been there for 3 months now that haven't even hit the grading floor yet. Let's get started. All right, so submitting multiple service levels to PSA is super easy. What you're gonna have to do is log onto your PSA account on psacard.com. On the top right, you'll click those 3 little bars. Click on your account and then home, and then scroll down to where you see submissions and click on view all. And then on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see where I've already made submissions. So you're gonna go ahead and click on those boxes. On the left-hand side, you may have just 2, you may have 10, but I have 3 that I wanna submit today. So down on the bottom, it shows 3 submissions selected. Click on that little box with the 3 bars, click on the pack together, and then boom, this page is gonna be printed out, and it's that barcode that PSA scans when your order arrives so they know where to send it. And it shows, obviously, there down on the bottom, the 3 different submission order numbers that I've created that are going to be obtained inside that box. And the reason you want to do this is that this way PSA knows when they scan that barcode, they know exactly where to send these cards, what service level they're at. So that way there's no hiccups, basically, because I had made the mistake of trying to submit multiple service levels in one box, but having each separate barcode attached to the outside of the box. And long story short, it is still in research and ID, and I've already sent in orders after it that I've already gotten back. So yes, you don't want to make any delays in the PSA grading process because it can be quite a long process from time to time. So yeah, this is, I have found, is the best way to do it, because I've since then, once I stumbled upon this, have sent in a few this way, and boom, like it goes through without any hiccups at all. So yeah, all that's left to do here now is print submission label, choose your printer, and go ahead and hit print, and that is it. Get it packed up and sent off to PSA, and happy grading. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really hope this video was helpful in properly getting your submissions to PSA. And hey, if it was, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Also drop a comment below. Happy to hear what you thought or if you have any questions. And as always, I'll be posting a video somewhere here of useful tricks and tips on getting submissions to PSA. Thank you so much. Good to see you.